Aluminium is a widely used material in construction, automotive, railway, and other industries. FEAL is a leading supplier of aluminium profiles, parts, and whole structures. Headquartered in Bosnia and Herzegovina with subsidiaries in a number of Central European countries, FEAL is continuously investing in latest technologies, therefore meeting European standards of production and operations with the appropriate certifications. FEAL products and systems are shipped to countries next to Bosnia and Herzegovina and the region, but also to all of Europe. A wide range of parts are manufactured. Our aluminium systems are used for buildings of all sizes and as high-tech facade systems on well-known architectural landmarks all over the world. Quality first is the mission which drives FEAL engineers and technicians. Aluminium systems are designed, processing steps are planned, always adapted to the specific needs of clients in architecture and industry. More than 25 years of aluminium expertise guarantee top-notch engineering right from the concept phase. FEAL Facade Engineering and Consulting in Austria is specializing in high-tech facades, turning architectural visions into reality. Aluminium profiles are extruded from primary alloys defined by FEAL or the customer. The raw material is heated to a specific temperature to be formed by extrusion. We have a range of presses which are selected depending on the force needed for the profile shape. Following the extrusion process, immediate cooling using liquid nitrogen is key to the structural quality of the profiles, which can have a length of more than 50 meters. The extrusion tools are machined to minimum tolerances and are undergoing constant re-examination. The handling and further thermal treatment of the extruded profiles is a fully automated process. FEAL is expanding its facilities, providing additional, even larger extrusion lines, and therefore higher capacities to meet ever-increasing demands. FEAL is also fully equipped for further processing, providing complete solutions to customers in a variety of industries. See for yourself what we can do. Quality control is key to FEAL's demanding international clients. Chemical and physical properties of all our products are documented in our accredited laboratories. Traceability is ensured. For windows and facade systems, long-term exposure to the elements is simulated in a test chamber, calibrated to meet the rules underlying CE markings. Our devotion to quality also expands to environmental concerns. International ISO standards for wastewater processing are met by our own automated biological treatment plant. So that's FEAL, a high-tech company always adjusting to industry needs, supplying more than 25,000 tons of aluminum parts per year to a large number of regional clients, as well as prominent European brands. Bearing in mind the constantly changing dynamic and demanding market, FEAL experts are monitoring global trends in design and provide aluminum solutions for today and for the future. FEAL. Quality first.